Yeah, this is your boy Muzara again. Maybe I will be you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is the community we are building. This is a community of entrepreneurs. I can business once and explore the chinchima we are say baby I wouldn't be into her videos now going to be more explore baby. I face so videos about psychology and I face marriage. And I face my video about daily life. Today we are going to speak about why you are failing. Charlie, subscribe, like this video, share to your friend. It's gonna change your life. Thanks. So let me first ask, why do people fail? And you can fail crying. So you can failure is you have your dream. You have your journey. Na all corner baby. Uncle Yamona or Yamabi Timakofom. And I say, send out pen on one honesa. So your positive side of failure and a negative side. Negative side is say, failure. Na say, often say, yes, your downfall. Then that means you are going down. And if you take it in a brighter side that you are going high, that want to trust me, you are going to make it. We have a saying that every mistake is a new start. So we mistake be an side your friends a failure, and it's a new start. Study as is here pizza would be a will be no yeah adivi and ye and other than say any man pizza. Offer near be to say be a bicycle, then yama or be a divina chacha ya divi. It's mistaken better than a new star. And if you other than a bicycle, sometimes most of the things are interventions are why you use technologies or a mistake or be and others are then a buy. So if you are failing your positive side, if you take it to be a positive thing, you get a massive positive side of it. But I'll take it a failure a negative there, you are going to fail and fail and fail again. This is why you are failing. One, air eating profound too much. Mostly you want to be some people. You don't want to be yourself. I want to say, as soon as I say I want to copy the same thing. As soon as I see a store, I want to do the same thing. As soon as I see a turn near my way, I want to go and do the same thing. As soon as I see Kojama or discover fear baby, I want to follow the first steps now. Oh yeah, pepe. So if you don't want to fail, one, be yourself. Be yourself. I'm talking about negative failure. Into copy you don't know what a woman kasangasa, and there are some secrets that will be our one business secrets will be our one lifestyle. They are never going to tell you. Don't want to be dressy too much or dressy impress society, and you want to copy the same thing. One here you fail because you don't know where when you're the source of the dress. One here you end up sending all your salary, your income, so they put dress, and it's going to lead you to failure. But in situations, if you try to be yourself, enjoy what you have, you are never going to fail. You are never going to fail. Or enjoy being yourself, enjoy what you have. So if there is a mistake, you see it to be a new star. So I came, but I'm not trusting. You need to subscribe. If there's a mistake, you are going to make it a new star. And it's going to be a biggest intervention. Most of the times, when you fail, don't run away. Just try it, analyze it, see what you've intervened. About a planet Earth, so if you are not an idea banner, it's very useful. But obi or your bread na taste na cause sign house na me pan na say bread na say that's not it. Pan on the taste sign is something different. Why intervention? Hey, bro, no can I say? My bon. Something new about planet Earth. So make sure you research deep into it. Where the crowd about before I can say what failure. There's nothing like failure. Everything is new experience. But just that we give negative years to it. If you give positive years to everything that comes, you're gonna see success. So Anytime you are on the life process now failure, that means you are closer to success. High effort you are going to be very closer to success. Who say yawona shall say then you are very closer to success. If you take that opportunity, you grab it, you are going to be successful. And you have to know that success is not a one-day thing. It's a process. It's something you'll be creating from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. It's an everyday process until you die. It's not one day say, oh sorry, I'm not passing my successful. No. The bread is another variety of bread. You have to brand it and sell it to the public. That's how they like it, but they are not getting it from any store because everybody is doing the same thing. So if you want to be successful, be different. That's what I always say. Think different. But if you want to be successful, you have to be very different. Do something different. Don't always copy people's style. You try to be like people. You try to be like everybody. You are going to fail. You are going to fail massively. Everyone who say this guy in business or the scar 10,000 every, and you are going to copy the same thing. You don't know what the 10,000 is going to do for the business. But who say, oh, what the 10,000 they be in the business no, and you don't know what be 10,000 a year money business. If you try a copy, you are going to fail. Be yourself. Do your own style. Do your own thing. No one can stop you in doing anything. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, share it to your friends. Make sure you become part of this community. We share a lot of success videos, a lot of exploring videos, as well as business tips. You can contact us, search Mozaro Ghana on any platform. Google, you can get our contact there, everything about it you can read and be part of our community. Thanks for watching.